Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into the really specialized world of professional order flow trading platforms.
That's right. We're looking at ATAS, Sierra Chart, and Bookmap.
These aren't just your basic charting tools, are they? We're talking highly customized weapons, really, that pros are using.
Absolutely. For futures, crypto, stocks, these are serious pieces of kit.
So our mission today, essentially, is to get past the feature lists and figure out the actual edge each one gives you.
Yeah, what makes one different from the other in practice?
And our sources, well, they suggest these three are really the top contenders right now for gaining that, competitive advantage.
It's interesting because while they all analyze market microstructure, the way they do it, the edge they offer, it's completely different.
Okay, so where should we start? ATSS, maybe?
Hey, let's do ATS first. Its whole focus is giving you what I'd call the volume density edge.
Volume density edge. Okay.
Yeah.
So how does it do that?
Well, ATS is specifically designed to visually decode the order book and do it fast, critically, without needing you to write any code.
Ah, so it's geared towards the visual trader, not the programmer.
Exactly. It's kind of the king of visual volume analysis. You get, like, over 400 variations of the footprint chart.
400. Wow. And the footprint shows executed volume inside the bars, right?
Precisely. Plus, you get tools like SmartDOM that's for visually seeing the pending liquidity blocks and Smart Tape. It's all very deep visual insight, pretty much plug and play.
Plug and play sounds good. What about getting started? Cost?
They offer a full 14-day trial, which is great. After that, it's around $55 a month, roughly. Or they do a 6-month deal for about $325.
Okay, so ATAS is deep visual volume confirmation post-trade mostly.
Yeah, understanding what has happened based on volume.
Right. Now, shifting gears completely, Sierra Chart, our sources call this one the stripped-down racing rig, more about control.
Definitely. Sierra Chart offers what you could call a pure latency control edge. It's about speed and your control over the system.
Its reputation is built on being rock solid, ultra stable.
And incredibly customizable. It supports both manual trading and, importantly, automated trading.
So you can build your own indicators, run back tests, automate strategies.
Yes, using spreadsheets or even getting right down into C++ code.
Okay, but C++ there, that sounds like a pretty high barrier to entry, doesn't it? Does that lock out most traders?
Well, yes and no. It's built for the developer, the algo trader, the person who absolutely demands that maximum granular control. It's meant to be programmed.
I see. So it's a feature, not a bug, for its target audience.
Precisely. Pricing starts low, around $36 a month for service packages. But, and this is crucial,
There's always a catch.
the real-time data feeds you need. Those are always extra. So the total cost can climb depending on what markets you need.
Right, so that ultra stability and control comes with potential extra costs and the need for coding skills.
Exactly. Now that's one path, deep control. Bookmap takes almost the opposite approach.
Which is?
Pure visual speed. It provides a visual liquidity edge. It's less about post-trade volume or coding your own tools.
And more about seeing the order book now.
Right now, it turns the entire limit order book into a real-time heat map. And it updates, get this, 40 times per second.
40 times, that's incredibly fast. Faster than you can really process consciously.
Well, it lets you visually track big orders stacking up, see liquidity shifting, spot manipulation like spoofing in action, those big orders that appear and vanish instantly.
So you're seeing the intention in the market potentially, not just executed trades.
That's a good way to put it. You can actually get a free plan for digital crypto markets.
Oh, interesting.
But for the global plan, covering stocks, futures, and crypto, it starts around $39 a month. Then there's an advanced global plus tier at $79 for more features.
Okay, so let's try and synthesize this. The sources seem to paint a clear picture based on trading style. ATS sounds like the solid pick if you want deep plug-and-play volume tools, great visuals.
Yep, the volume density guy.
Sierra Chart is the playground for total control, custom automation if you have the coding chops or want to develop them, the latency edge.
The programmer's platform, essentially.
And Bookmap.
Yeah.
That seems unmatched for seeing real-time liquidity, that heat map view, the speed, visual liquidity edge.
Exactly, spotting those immediate shifts.
So the core message really is about alignment, isn't it?
Absolutely. You have to match the tool to your specific trading style. Are you a coder, a visual volume reader, or someone hunting for those instant liquidity cues?
Choosing the right one is how you define your actual competitive advantage.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
That really clarifies the different paths. But let me leave you, the listener, with a final thought here.
Okay.
We see that the most let's say, differentiated tools, Sierra Chart with its C++ power, and Bookmap with its super high-speed visualization, they often require paying extra, either for data or for advanced tiers.
True.
So it makes you wonder, doesn't it, how much of a trader's fundamental edge ultimately comes down to budget versus, say, programming skill? Where's the balance?
That is the ultimate question, isn't it? Is the best edge bought with dollars or built with code and skill? Something to definitely think about.
Indeed.
Well, thank you for joining us on this deep dive today.